Hi, I'm Andy Robinson. I'm Customer Experience Director at 7thSense, and I'm here showcasing our media server and show controller and pixel processor products. Here's our R-Series 10. It's our top-end 3U media server for uncompressed video playback. We have a number of different I/O capabilities that are options to add to the media server. We can do ST2110 in and out. We also have expansion capabilities for timecode and other live capture. And we can also do high-speed networks on here for streaming playback from a streaming NAS. The R-Series 10 is one of our range of servers. We have the R-Series here, the P-Series, and also our low-end Pico. You can find out more information on our media servers, pixel processors, and show controllers at 7thSense.1, and we'd love to hear from you.